Welcome to MyBinding.com. This is the Stanley Bostitch Black Ascend Desktop Stapler. To load staples, lift up the top cover, insert a standard strip of 1/4 inch staples, and close it back up. Now you can staple up to 20 sheets of paper. In my test, I started with a lower quality staple unknowingly, with some poor results. Using premium staples, it did much better. On the bottom is a holder for 2 full strip staples. Put them together, slide them in, and you have staples always on hand. I will also mention that the entire rubber base is not very secure, and can pull out very easily. You can staple to other surfaces too, but to do this you have to first open the cover, then pull the center shaft. Be careful with the staples still in place though.